So, let's give it a test drive tonight.
Well, tonight's project went a bit astray. My project tonight was to swap out the thermostat and fix a leaky thermostat housing gasket, which I did accomplish. However, we're not able to take the car for the test drive tonight for reasons that will become apparent soon. I've slowed down the video on this just a little bit. I'd left it on while I went in the house to get my wife and see if she wanted to go for the test drive. But if you look at the fan belt, which also wraps around the alternator and runs the water pump, you'll see that it kind of rises and lowers, and there it goes. So it's just shredding to pieces right there. And now you can watch as the fan spins down. We're not pumping any more water. We're not charging the battery. And unfortunately, the auto parts store closes a little bit early on Sundays, so I was not able to go down and get replacement parts. But anyway, we'll take care of that on Monday. We'll get some replacement parts. Probably go ahead and replace both the fan belt and the power steering belt, since they're going to be working in there. Anyway, so here's the rest of the story as recorded. Obviously, once I came in from outside, I powered down the car. The temperature gauge was reading 0. The voltmeter was reading about 11.5 volts. I don't think there's actually any damage sustained to the vehicle. It didn't run very long at that without the water pump spinning. But definitely going to have to replace the antifreeze and obviously the belts, and then scrutinize everything and make sure that there's nothing wrong with it that is not immediately obvious. From there, well, I would suspect that getting replacement belts is going to be on the top of the list. There's the belt number for the power steering belt, and the alternator / fan belt is a lot more worn, but I do have a photo of that, so hopefully they can look it up. And then there are just a few other things in life to pay attention to. Obviously, have a job, and occasionally we have to go out and, well, there'll be none of this joyriding around in Vlad the Impala, but there will be coffee, and most importantly, there will be grandson Maverick, who will be taking some priority time away. So we'll just see how long it takes to get this fixed, and the movies will show up when they do. Have a great day. Greetings from Vlad and Anthony.